Hi friends, let me show you my new 3-in-1 rug protector for Apple Watch. We are going to test it with my watch, of course. You get in the package all the instructions to use them. So as you can see, it has a wristband, it has a front cover, and all the access to the back part so it can keep tracking your health and everything. So here are the instructions. So as you can see, you put your watch here, you close it back. Of course, you have to get rid of all the protectors, but I want to show you that it works. You can touch the screen with the protector, so it's seamless. It won't bother you using it, okay? So as you can see, it gives it a more rough view, a more rough look. I think it's nice, and it protects it. So if you are going to do some outdoor activities, maybe if you're going for a hike or extreme sports, maybe you want to keep your like formal accessories at home and use this one. And when you are going to go for a more formal event or whatever, you can go back to your formal accessories. So well, I like how it looks. I like that it works. It kind of works as if it had nothing on top of it. So I think it's a nice band with the protective case. Perfect.